When this poor baby bird was stuck in this muddy water, it couldn't move anywhere. No matter how hard it tried, its efforts went to waste. So this kind man who saw this bought an excavator so he could help the poor bird. He began by removing all the excess waste and muddy residue around the bird before rescuing it, but look what happens. He took precautionary methods and made sure to be as careful as possible to not hurt the bird when lifting it. Once the bird was in, he slowly lifted it and brought it to shore before he safely poured the water onto the ground. The bird looked like it wasn't doing well and was struggling, so he carefully grabbed it by its nose to take it outside the mud. He wanted to give it a nice bath so he could wash all the dirt away from its body, and he handled it very carefully to not hurt the bird. When he was done, he finally let the bird go its way, and his two friends were so happy to see him. Beautiful.